Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. If I had you back, I wouldn't have did all that.
What's up, y'all? It's Tiffany Lee and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair, and they sent me over this 16-inch Kinky straight 5x5 closure wig. This is me unboxing the wig, just showing you everything that comes with it, how it's packaged. Everything was packaged very neatly, and the hair was very good quality. There was no scent. I'm showing you guys the lace up close. I do want to mention that these knots are pre-plucked, pre-bleached, so literally all you have to do is throw it on your head. Very easy installation. As far as construction of the wig comes with combs inside and also an elastic band in the back, so it just makes the installation process even easier. And these are the 4C/kinky edges, so they just resemble a more natural hairline. So now I'm just going into everything that's in the box. We have some wig caps, we have a grip band for the front, we have some pamphlets, some promo cards, and they just have really nice packaging, so that was a really big plus. And this is me just giving you guys a closer look at the construction of the wig. So now we can begin installing, and when I say this process was so easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, it was seriously so simple. All I did was flip the wig on my head. You see it's a 5x5 closure, so there's not really much that I had to do. I just put some spritz on just to melt it even more, but the lace was already pretty melted because this is a transparent lace. So I do want to mention that that is also a big plus about this wig. When they say transparent, they really meant it. This is really good quality lace. The lace was so thin, and even with the knots being bleached and plucked, they still were so small. So even if they weren't bleached, they would still melt right into my skin. So I really did like that about this wig. It just looked so natural as soon as I put it on. You really don't have to do much work to make it look natural. So I really did like that. This next step honestly wasn't necessary because I feel like the puffier look did make it look more natural, but I just like to hot comb all my wigs regardless of the texture, so I just went ahead and did that really quickly. And I'm just giving an up close view of the lace because, again, look at this quality, like it just melts right into my skin. To give you guys an up close view of these edges because look at how natural they look. As I mentioned earlier, these are the 4C kinky edges, so they just resemble a natural hairline. And this was my first time trying a wig like this, but I really thought this was just the coolest thing ever because I'm just so used to straight edges on wigs, so the fact that we have wigs that like resemble our actual hair texture is just so cool to me. So this was just me playing around with them, trying to lay them down and showing you guys the back of the wig because this hair was so full, so thick. And now we can get into styling. I just decided to put some crimson, and that's just gonna complete our look. Alright you guys, so this is the final result. I love how my hair turned out. I think this is so cute. Y'all need to run to my description right now, click the link and purchase this wig. This is so beautiful. Like, it really resembles my hair texture. Like, I just love how natural and beautiful and full and soft and just bomb this hair is. Like, so this is their 5x5 closure kinky straight unit, and I believe that the length they sent me is 16 inches. It came with a middle part, it came pre-plucked, pre-bleached, all that. Like, I literally, y'all saw, I just had to throw it on my head. I didn't even really have to stick it down because it's a glueless unit, but I did anyway. So it's super easy to install, super beginner friendly, and it's 100% human hair, not a blend, not synthetic, not even a little bit. It's 100% human hair. It took so well to the heat. I decided to add some crimson. Took super well to the heat, so that's a huge plus. And not to mention the lace on this thing is absolutely amazing. Like, this is what you call transparent lace. The lace itself honestly melts right into my skin. Like, this wig is such amazing quality. Like, I can honestly say this is like the best wig I've ever been sent. I've worked with Luvme Hair before and I love the wig. I believe the last wig they sent me was a headband wig, and you know, that was cool, but this, and yeah, with all that being said, if you want your hair to look like this, if you want a bomb wig, you're gonna click that link in my bio. So that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you stay blessed, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.